have the RSW Compact 16. This is the folding bike from 1966, which is becoming quite collectible now. It's becoming quite a sought after bike, I've noticed over the last few years, and a few of you might be finding one in your shed or garage or something and wondering how to fold the bike. Well, I'll just go through that with you. Firstly, what I do with the bike on its stand, I undo this knob here. Simply twist it anti-clockwise and you'll start to see the handlebars dropping under their own weight, and then simply fold the handlebars down until they almost touch, and then I'll just lightly lock it back in that position. I normally take the stand up like so, and here is a trigger mechanism that locks and unlocks the bike. That's why it was sometimes called the shotgun bike back in the day. So all you do, put your thumb on that and then lift the bike, and it will fold until it reaches a stop there, and there you have it, one folding bike. Obviously, to reverse it, you just hold the trigger in as you drop the bike with the wheels on the floor till there's a stop, and it will click back in that position there. What you can also do, this saddle is collapsible, so there is a chromed handle here. Simply undo that and you can remove this like so if you wish, or you can leave it in, it doesn't matter. It just makes the bike a little bit lighter and slightly smaller for putting in the back of your car or whatever, or storage or anything like that. And that is how you fold a RSW 16 bike. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helped you in some way.
Coming up, a little bit more about the RSW 16 Compact bike. Here's a few more features of the RSW Compact. Please help the channel thrive and subscribe to Iconic Brands. And by doing so, we will keep right on making these videos. Until the next time, as we journey on.